Agricultural manufacturing company Yug. Krasnodar region is the most grateful and fertile region of Russia. Unique edaphic-climatic conditions allow agriculturists to get rich harvests, including harvest of sunflowers. The oil produced from the Cuban raw materials has special properties, an increased amount of amino acids and a huge amount of useful nutrients in its composition. It has excellent organoleptic characteristics, high quality, and it is the most valuable food. One of the leading processing enterprises of the industry is agricultural manufacturing company Yug, located in Amavia, the symbol of which is a sunflower flower. It is even pictured on the municipal arms. AMC Yug firmly occupies a leading position in the Russian market for the production of refined sunflower oil, and it is one of the most modern manufacturers. The factory is the largest taxpayer and budget-forming enterprise of the municipality of Amavia city. In the manufacturing of seed oil, only high-quality raw materials grown in the Krasnodar region are used. AMC Yug is the only registered right holder of the exclusive right to the name of the place of goods origin, Cuban sunflower oil. The availability of sufficient production capacity allows to ensure uninterrupted supply at any time of the year, and the geography of supplies is vast. Products of AMC Yug are widely represented in 7 of the 9 federal districts of Russia. The enterprise has passed a great way of formation, year after year, improving technologies and expanding production capacities. AMC Yug was the one of the first in Russia to master the production of sunflower oil packaged in a PET bottle. In 2016, a large-scale modernization was carried out, which allowed increasing the capacity to 100 tons per day for finished products, replacing the old factory with a new one from the world's leading manufacturer of equipment and supplier of engineering and technological solutions in the fat and oil industry, Alfa Laval. The company has tested and implemented a number of innovative and cutting-edge technologies. So among the available spectrum of technologies, the factory has the ability to process oil both chemically and physically, but the choice has fallen on biotechnology, namely fermentation. In the arsenal, there are technologies of cold neutralization with simultaneous freezing of waxes and enzyme hydration. Here, this technology was first tested in the world on an industrial scale. The equipment was manufactured and assembled specially for it. In search for new solutions, the specialists of the enterprise AMC Yug, together with the company Alfa Laval, made another great breakthrough, combining several technological processes and changing the sequence of processing cycles, called enzyme hydration, has been significantly improved. As a result, the quality of the product was increased, energy and prime costs were reduced. At the enterprise, the maximum level of automation is provided. That guarantees achievement of the highest European quality standards in the production of refined seed oils. Centralized plant management and control of each production stage is performed with the help of computer systems and specialized software from operator's room by only one specialist. However, taking into consideration all possible risks, the process is controlled by 2 specialists, which also gives the possibility to perform related manufacturing operations. The plant has got modern infrastructural improvements. His heart is specially equipped centralized switchboard room. Server room, heat point room and modular boiler room are also fully supplied with all necessary equipment. The plant has high energy efficiency. The lines include a large number of heat exchangers to obtain the effect of heat and cold recovery. All equipment has frequency regulators which provide high performance optimization. Food safety control is the prior aspect. The lines are made of certified materials corresponding to the strictest international standards and are fully isolated. Human contact with the product and the ingress of foreign objects and substances into the system are excluded. Environmental safety is also at an appropriate level. All the processes are performed in the lines of closed type. Therefore, emissions into the atmosphere are excluded. Partial water recycling is also used in the lines. Industrial safety is controlled by automation system, which is capable of preventing an accident by itself. Our certified laboratories are equipped with the up-to-date high-tech facilities. This allows performing constant monitoring of product quality at all stages of production. Taking samples, their physico-chemical and organoleptic analysis are performed while checking the quality of input raw materials which comes to the plant. During the processing, samples from each consignment are checked again. And finally, the quality of the finished product is also checked in the most careful way. The specialists of the enterprise proudly state, oil AMC Yug is of the highest quality. This fact is confirmed by independent international accredited testing centers. The refined oil is cooled and saturated with nitrogen gas. Then it is sent for rest in special sealed insulated tanks, in which it comes down and stabilizes for no more than 2 to 3 days. And at last, the final stage. From special flasks called preforms, automates for blowing bottles produce consummate air. Still empty bottles by pneumatic conveyor are fed to the filling machine, which uses the technology of a substituted gas media. For this purpose is used liquid nitrogen, the boiling point of which is minus 196 Celsius degrees. In each bottle already filled with oil, the nitro dosizer delivers a small drop of nitrogen. Taking into account its boiling point, when it gets to the conditions of room temperature, nitrogen instantly turns from a liquid state into gaseous, thereby displacing the air and preventing oxidation. The tear is sealed immediately and the label is attached to the bottle. Then the individual packages form a group, which is sent to the finished goods warehouse. Despite the achieved successes and the positions won, the enterprise does not intend to stop on it. New plans and new achievements are ahead. The entire development history of the agricultural manufacturing company Yug is a vivid confirmation of this.